How to find the best repair center in Sydney CBD for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Whether you're looking to replace a cracked screen, damaged charging port, or any other issue with your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, finding the best repair center in Sydney CBD is essential. After all, you don't want to risk further damage to your phone by entrusting it to an inexperienced technician. Here are some tips on how to find the best repair service for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in Sydney CBD. 1. Consider your options. First and foremost, consider your options before deciding on repair center. Depending on where you live in Sydney CBD, you may have access to a variety of options from independent shops offering repairs at competitive prices to authorized repair centers such as Samsung service centers or mobile phone retailers that specialize in repairing Samsung devices. Before making a decision, make sure that you compare prices and ask about warranty information and customer service policies at each option. 2. Check reviews. Once you've narrowed down your choices based on cost and services offered, it's time to check reviews from previous customers. Reviews will give you an idea of how reliable and knowledgeable technicians are at the various repair centers, as well as how well they treat their customers. If there are too few reviews for a particular shop, or if the reviews are not particularly positive, then it may be best to look elsewhere for repairs for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. 3. Ask about parts. When selecting a repair center for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, it is important that they use genuine parts when making repairs or replacements so that you get the most out of your device after it has been repaired or replaced. Ask potential repair centers what kind of parts they use before committing to any work. This will ensure that if anything else goes wrong with your device after the initial repairs have been made, then they can quickly provide replacements with genuine parts so that there is no extended disruption. C. Get quotes. It can be helpful to get quotes from different repair centers so that you can compare costs before choosing who will carry out any necessary work on your device. This way you can make sure that you are getting the most cost-effective solution without compromising on quality of service or 5. Get advice. Ultimately, it's important to choose a reputable repair center who can provide advice and assistance throughout the entire process, from diagnosing problems with initial inspections through recommendations for fixing them up. If possible, speak directly with technicians who will be working on repairing your phone so that you can get an idea of their level of expertise and trustworthiness before committing yourself financially. Following these steps should help ensure that not only do find reliable technicians who know their way around repairing smartphones, but also make sure that any work done won't put further strain on already damaged parts, while also providing cost-effective solutions which don't leave gaping holes in on.